Guys, this is a new episode, and I think we're gonna try multiplayer now. Yeah, you know what? No, online, of course online. Choose your account button. New player, I guess. And put your name. Okay. That'll be you know what? Let's just put my YouTube channel name. And there. Okay, let's log in. See if we can go into one at least, cause today I'm gonna try multiplayer. Yeah, just wanna try it, see how fun it is. I know I'm a noob at doing some of the spider. What? Okay, profile. Quick. Free for all. No, not free for all. Team. Yes. Hello. Okay, wait. A team-based mode when you and your enemies have the same weapon. Any hit is an instant death. And the map has no power-ups. Instant death. Oh, this will be good. Game type. Whatever. How do we join it? Heart of the machine. Can you change it? No? Okay. Yes. So just play free for all. Come on, man. Like literally. So there's people. Okay, I just want to quick play. Team deathmatch and let's start. Okay, so we both are level 1. Amazing. So Joshua is king of all. Is like just download the game, same as me. So yeah. Okay, this is gonna take very long because I do not wanna wait. Or should I do not know. Oh my god, this is slow. Badlands. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna not wait. We're not gonna wait. Come on. Shit. We're not gonna wait. We are not going to wait. We're just going to wait to campaign. Continue. And I'm in the list.
But after 4 years of intensive fighting, the Nova rebels still struggle
yep.
for human independence.
So let's just try this again since I failed it the last time. So yeah. Okay. I probably won't. Okay, hide. Oh my, what the heck? Just keep going. Who the hell is chicken? Okay, let's change to what's this? Oh, this one. Not this. Yeah, let's just load that gun. Then. Oh, I lost that other weapon. Shite. I'll just use a shotgun then. What the? Okay, we're going to rush in. Whoa, okay. Quick. Right. Okay, can't even see. Wow. Okay, I don't use it. Lol. I do not use him. Until I kill him. Oh, you bitch. Alright. Oh shit, we have very less ammo on this gun, and I did not want to use the pistol. Nobody is here. Oh. There, gotcha. Okay. Okay, we saw them. We saw them. We saw them. Okay, nobody else. Probably there's somebody in here. Found it. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go in. Okay, down. Oh, I'm still getting it. You do it. Okay.
Report! Chief! We found the jammer. I think. See a way to shut it down? Knock it off! What are you, some foam-addicted merc from Borean?
Is this the
Sir, no, sir. I'm not enough.
I thought it was
What was it?
Let me take a look.
Know anything about that tech, Commander?
Enough.
Joe, Wilcox, on me. We need a defensive perimeter.
What? What is this? Oh. Okay, we need to stay. Whoa. What? Why am I standing here? Oh. Okay. Good job, guys. Oh. Okay. Why am I doing that? Oh, what is wrong? Damn. High tech, bro. Oh, he's still alive, bro. He's still alive. Shoot him before you die, bro. Shoot him. Shoot him before you die, then. Oh. That is just great. Oh, that's just
Sir!
great.
Sir, can you hear me? Are you okay? How many fingers am I holding up?
Looks like 87.
Can you walk, sir?
We should get off the street. Explosion like that probably got someone's attention, right?
Yeah. Here, give me your hand. Steady
Wow,
now,
is
Commander.
Just call me Cal.
Huh, like Cal Warden. Must be rough sharing a name and rank with the savior of Sagittarius. Huh.
I did my part on Sagittarius, but technically, I didn't save it.
Damn.
Wait, you mean... Well, dip my peanut butter and roll me in jelly. You hear that, fellas? This right here's the hero of the resistance. You stick close to me, sir. We'll get you to base come hell or high water.
Damn.
I hear him.
Still
Good
alive.
to go, sir?
He's still alive, man.
Links, are they working now?
Let me
Must
check.
be this finally.
Echo 1 to Actual.
Oh.
Do you read me? Actual, this
Mike.
is Echo 1. Please respond. We got team comms up, but I still can't get through to Actual. We read...
I don't like this, sir. I don't like this one bit.
Afraid of the dark, Chow? Afraid to hold your... Shut up, sir.
What the hell was that?
A psyker, and it's playing with us. Secret.
You heard the commander. Get your targets and keep your eyes open.
Okay. Doing a good job. Oh my god, I'm in front of them. Fire. Shoot, I should have come down here. Regenerate. Where does the gun ammo? Shh. There's the gun ammo. Wait, can we reload? There we go.
He's out.
Bye-bye. What? Okay, I died twice. Damn. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. Sorry.